Sushant Limbu, and in this video I'll be explaining the short Python program that I've written for the tasks 1 and 2. In the task 1 we're supposed to write a script in which the script will search the directory for the text file, and it will list all the text file available in that directory, that particular directory we have specified. So the program goes like this. First we assign the name of the directory that we are going to search. Then we also assign the absolute path for the parent directory, the directory that which this directory name is inside the desktop directory or inside the directory path. So we use the os.pathjoin to merge this directory name and the directory path to create an absolute directory path. So then we create a main function in which we run a for loop in which all the directories or all the files inside the directories is run through this loop, so that each time the end switch will search for the end switch will match the extension .txt extension with the file extension in the directory. So whenever a match is found, the name of that file is outputted to the screen. So this last part ensures that the main function is executed only when the script is run directly. So when we run this script, the output would be like this. So it says that my folder has 4 files, that is files1, file2, test file1 and test file2, which is also the file that is present in file1 in this directory, automation practice directory, that is file1, file2, test file1, test file1, test file2. These are the only text files that are present in the folder. So our code works perfectly for this one. So just clear this one and we'll go to the task 2. In the task 2 we are supposed to run a Python script, so that will do the same thing, but it's had some few modification. This will take input from the user. So the first part of this code will ask the user for his input. So all this the directory to be searched and the file extension to be searched and the few characters or the few string characters in which is used to match the file name are also asked for the user and stored in this respective variables. And this also create an absolute path. We use the parent directory, and the target path in this line is used to output the text file which we create at the end of this code that contains all the matched files name into that text file. We append that name into this text file and we output the text file to this target path. So we are using the os path .join in this also to create an absolute path by merging the directory name and the directory's parent path to create an absolute directory path for the directory. So we create a new function called search file that takes these 3 inputs and directory absolute path, which is the absolute path we created by merging the directory name and the parent directory absolute path, and the file type that we are going to search, that could be like the .pdf or .txt extensions, and the string search is the string that we use to search. Like if we are searching for a text file named Sushant, so we would search by the input would be anything from sus or sush, anything that includes the anything that includes the name of the string. So we create a new variable that will hold the list of the output we get from there. So in this case we are also required to modify the user's input. So even if the users input the .pdf in uppercase or lowercase, it should be case insensitive. So we are using this new variable and we are recompiling the variable to ignore the case of that case of the user input. So same thing goes for the other string search also. Then we run the folder in a loop. So we pull each and every file from the folder. Then we run this condition that will check for the file type and the file name. So whatever the user, let's just say if the user has inputted the .pdf extension, so this program will pull the .pdf extension only from the folder and match it with the string name that the user has entered. So if the matching file is found, then the name of the file is appended to this result list. So at the end, all the lists that are present in the result is returned to the function. So whenever this function is called, it basically takes the user input, then tallies with this condition then it will create a list called the result. Then the users or it will like return the data to the source files whenever this function is called. So the only the match files with this condition matching will be returned to the function where it is called. So this here is our main method. In this main method we are creating a new variable called match file, and we are calling the source file function by giving it the same input that the user has provided. So this condition is like if the match file is not empty. So whenever we run this program, it could be like the user's input is not found. So whenever this match file is empty, so if this is empty, that means that no matching files is found. So it will just print that no matching files is found. So if the condition is met, then it will go in and create a folder called file name. It will use the target path that we specified in the beginning to output the file name.txt. It will create a new file name.txt text file in the target path directory, and it will add all the name of the list it will add all the name of the folders or the name of the files that match this condition on this part of the code. So whenever there is a match, all the name of that code will be added to this file name.txt, and the user will be printed with an output saying that this certain number of files were found in that this will just display all the total number of files that was found in the folder or in the directory. Then it will also specify the path where the file names could be found. So at the end, this also the same thing. This ensures that the function is only executed when the script is run directly. So before we run that script, we'll just go to this folders. This one is also the desktop folder. We are going to use this CV as CV's folder as a reference. So as we can see here that there is no text file created over here, just the PDF and a Word files. So we'll go back and run the script. So it says the name of the directory that we want to search. So we are going to search the CV's directory. So it is also asking for the type of file that we are going to search. So I am going to use the PDF format. For this context, we are using an upper mixed and uppercase or lowercase. So we can check the condition if this program is case insensitive or not. So we use the .pdf, then we use the name Sushant with upper and lower cases mixed. So he said that like the 12 matching files were found with the name Sushant and the .pdf extension in the CVs folder, and the list of the file name retrieved can be found in the file name.txt, which is located in the desktop / Conestoga assignment IT automation Python Assignment4 subfolder. So we'll go and check if that is present or not. So you go to desktop, Conestoga assignment, IT automation and Python and Assignment4. You can see that our new folder is created called file names, and which was also created, if you can note the date modified, it's 12/1/754, which is just a minute before now. So the file was just created, and the output is also seen here, like the 12 entries that contains Sushant as its name is listed, and all of these are the PDF files. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.